Friends, I'm Dr. A.S.K. Gupta and I'm going to talk to you about the fetal yawning. This fetus has excessive yawning in around 23 weeks of gestation, and you can see that this fetus is showing the opening of the mouth. This is the normal opening of the mouth. You can see the upper lip, you can see the orbits, and there is opening of the mouth which appears to be normal. We're going to look for the yawning of this fetus. You can see, and you will just see that this is the yawning of the fetus. The fetus is opening the mouth, and the yawning has been correlated with the good development of the brain and the neuromuscular axis, because it coordinates the midbrain development and the opening of the jaw completely. Yawning is said to be present when the total duration of the mouth opening to the closure, if the opening time of the mouth is more than 50% of the total event duration, then it is called as the yawning. Otherwise, it is defined as the simple opening, non-yawning opening of the mouth. And the opening has been correlated with the good fetal development, and it is a good sign for the fetus and the mother. The fetal yawning generally disappears by 28 weeks of gestation, because this fetus is around 23 weeks of gestation. So the yawning is very well seen, but in fetus which is more than 28 weeks, yawning may not be visible, and the yawning is not seen in the third trimester of the pregnancy. Yawning is at times said to be because of the belching phenomena in the fetus, and it is a good sign. Thank you very much. I hope we have been able to demonstrate a good case of yawning in the fetus. In case you like our videos, do not forget to press the like button and share the video among large number of our friends so that maximum number of people can be benefited. Thank you very much.